Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Littlelf camera. First, ensure your camera is powered on. You should see a red indicator light flashing, signaling it is ready for connection. Next, download the Littlelf Smart app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials to proceed with the setup. Now, let's connect your camera to your home Wi-Fi. In the app, tap the Add Device or plus icon, then choose your camera model. It's crucial that your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as most Littlelf cameras only support this frequency. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi network name and password into the app to proceed. The app will now generate a QR code on your phone screen. Hold your camera about 15 to 20 centimeters from your phone, allowing it to scan this code. You might need to adjust your phone's angle slightly for the camera to read it clearly. Once the scan is successful, you will hear a prompt voice from the camera, indicating it has recognized the code. If you encounter issues, first check your Wi-Fi password. Avoid special characters. Keep your camera and router close, ideally within 1 meter, during setup for a strong signal. If connection fails, try resetting the camera by pressing its reset button for about 5 seconds until you hear a tone. Then, restart both your router and camera before attempting to reconnect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.